A handful of intellectuals and religious people and a large number of scientists have become aware of the acute problems that the world currently faces. The environment, wars, famines, the suffering of large numbers of people, the enormous gap between rich and poor nations. The problem is that they just express their point of view and leave the responsibility for taking action on the ground to a small number of organizations. In fact, we should all be concerned and we are all responsible. This is also one of the meanings of democracy, I think. Each one of us should act on our level, cooperate with others, discuss the problems, exhort those responsible to act positively, firmly criticize any disastrous policies, and take our case to the United Nations and national governments. In this way, the influence we can wield will certainly be more effective.